everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Isibaya from the 8th to the 12th of March 2021 on Monday. A shocking attack on the chief upset the balance in the valley. Mbovu makes a horrific discovery. Sbu arrives unexpectedly at Protea and connect with Caesar. Meanwhile, things between the Zungus and the Ndlovus intensify on Tuesday. Jabu is desperate to stop yet another war between the Ndlovus and the Zungus. Things between Lillian and Saddam get worse while Mandla is given an impossible task to for the safety of the Ndlovus. Gala reveals a shocking family secret on Wednesday. Jabu's entire world is turned upside down when Mkabai tells him the truth about the past. Mandla can't go through with Samsoni's orders. The person behind the attack on Dabula is revealed. The doctor gives Dabula a devastating news on Thursday. War breaks out between the Zungus and the Ndlovus. Sbu is torn between love and duty. Mbovu lies to Dabula about the state of things at Emarondweni. Saddam gets suspicious when he returns and Lillian is nowhere to be found. Jabu is desperate to stop the war on Friday. Lillian and Saddam get into a terrible fight, but really truth end up coming out. Andile continues manipulating Caesar. Sbu tells Caesar to really seek the truth. Melusi tried to stop the war but end up putting himself in the grave danger. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.